Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to talk about moxibustion today. What is moxibustion? Moxibustion is a form of heat therapy in traditional Chinese medicine. We use moxa sticks or this loose form of moxa to perform this heat therapy. What is moxa? Moxa, noun. A flammable substance or material obtained from leaves of certain Chinese and Japanese warm wood plants, especially Artemisia moxa. In the dictionary, they mention it's a type of herb that is in the warm wood family. In other words, we call it mugwort. This herb is known for its warm characteristics. So it has the ability to warm up the meridians, it has the ability to promote blood flow, and it also has the ability to dispel interior wind and dampness. That probably makes no sense in Western medicine, but if you study Eastern medicine, you would know what I'm talking about. What is moxibustion used for? There is a wide range of usage for moxibustion. It ranges from boosting immune system to help treat irregular menstrual cycle to menstrual cramps. It can also treat side effects that you have during menopause and also IBS. There's also lumbago, cold limbs, and insomnia, and also this is especially good for arthritis patients. So now I will talk a little bit about the different type of moxa. So you saw earlier there are two different sizes. This right here is the most common size and it's the standard size. It's about ruler long and there's different coloration. That is the different type of herbs that's also inside, and the type of herbs that are used is also herbs with warm characteristics. This heat treatment is all about warming up the body, it's about promoting blood circulation. There's also this type. This is used less often because it's more expensive. Then you can see this one is mostly moxa. It's mostly pure moxa, so you don't see a lot of coloration in this one. So you see the width difference here. This one covers more surface area while this one covers less. The hospital, this is the standard basic. You will usually in most cases use this type. Then we have the loose moxa. It looks like this, and also this is very pure moxa, so you don't see a lot of purities in this. It's mostly the herb that's been grinded very finely. And what is this usually used for? This is usually used for treatments where we use ginger, and for the ginger and moxa treatments we usually use that for either face paralysis after a stroke, or it could be used on the stomach for lack of appetite, bloating, for gastric problems, and stomach problems. So that is one of the usage for the loose moxa. The difference between using it in the hospital and at home, I'll talk a little bit about that. In the hospital, you'll see boxes like that. You'll see these sort of boxes, and they are moxa boxes. So what happens is we would give the patient acupuncture, and then we would use one of this moxa stick, break it in equal parts, light it up until it burns, and then we would set the moxa stick into the moxa box and set that on top of the patient. Besides using this in the hospital, it's also a very common item to find in Chinese household, especially in southern China where people incorporate medicine into their daily diets. So it's not uncommon to see this in someone's household, and they use this as a preventative care item. So what you do at home is you just light one end up with fire, and then it will slowly burn. I think one increment about this size can burn for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it does burn slowly. One stick can last you pretty long. When it burns, it will have ash, so at home you will just need a container, like either a metal or a ceramic container that you can put the ash in, so nothing catches on fire at home. So this is moxa in a nutshell. Hopefully you'll learn something new and interesting about traditional Chinese medicine. And also, if you are experiencing pain from arthritis, I strongly encourage you to seek out your local acupuncturist and see if they have treatments like this that you could try. Yeah, this is the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.